Ninja Foodie 11 in 1 Pro 6.5 quart pressure cooker and air fryer. Combines the best of pressure cooking and air frying in one nonstick pot. Quickly locks and juices. Swap lids for a golden, crispy finish. Pressure cook, air fry, steam, sauté, bake, and more. Includes pressure cooker, crisping lid, pressure lid, 6.5 quart nonstick pot, 4.6 quart nonstick cook and crisp plate, stainless steel nesting broil rack and cookbook. 16.18 by 13.98 by 13.23 inches.
New Wave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.
Hands can do wondrous things. They can explore, nurture, solve problems, even make magic. Those hands of all shapes and sizes have a lot to do every day. They just need the right tools for the job. Our story began with love. Our founder created the first OXO peeler for a pair of hands he loved more than his own. That sort of love inspires everything we do, how we work, and what we create. We test and we learn first with our own hands. Then we place our tools in the hands of others and learn some more. We obsess over details until all of the thought that goes into our design comes to life. Whatever you do, we want to help you do it better. Your everyday tasks, everyday chores, everyday wins, everyday rituals, everyday celebrations, everyday labors of love. from our hands to yours. We're always within reach.
When we set out to create a scoop, we wanted a scoop that was a jack of all trades, but also a master of all trades. OXO's Handy Scoop is a versatile addition to your kitchen, perfect for scooping ice, flour, cereal, and more. The compact head fits easily into all sorts of canisters and bins and is flexible for easy funneling into smaller containers. Try leaving this scoop in your freezer's ice maker. The scoop stays comfortable to the touch and ice cubes won't stick to it. A soft, comfortable handle provides a firm grip. The scoop holds approximately 1 cup. Here's a good tip. OXO fans use the scoop for everything from dog food to potting soil to birdseed.
This Zojirushi MyCom rice cooker and warmer comes with a gorgeous stainless brown exterior finish and 5.5 cups and 10 cups capacity. The machine features fuzzy logic technology and multiple menu settings for cooking not only various types of rice, such as brown rice, sushi rice, and porridge, but moist and delicious cake, or steamed vegetables and fish. The black, thick inner cooking pan distributes heat evenly and is non-stick coated for easy cleaning, and the inner lid is detachable and washable. It also has a built-in retractable power cord, which makes storage easy, and an interchangeable melody or beep signal that notifies you when cooking is complete. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life.